Yo, what's up?
Well, since you can't seem to produce any T3 and T4, despite all the TSH I've been sending you, we are bringing in Levothyroxine. She's headed your way right now. Please help with onboarding her. Knock, knock. You must be the thyroid gland. I'm Levothyroxine, the exogenous hormone brought in to pick up your slack.
Exogenous? Is that like a exotic hormone? Do you dance?
No, you dimwit. Exogenous as in a hormone produced outside the body.
Oh.
Anyway, as part of my contract, I have my list of terms. First of all, I'm going to need our patient to take me first thing in the morning with a full glass of water before breakfast. I'm also going to need someone to monitor our patient for signs of hyperthyroidism in case my dose is too high.
Look, lady, I just woke up from my nap.
And finally, since you don't seem to be doing any work anytime soon, I will need our patient to take me for the rest of their lives.
Wow, you're kind of intense.
Well, I'll be getting to work now. If you need me, I'll be in the patient's circulation, and you can get back to doing whatever it is you do around here.